The connected manufacturer, there are multiple views that you can basically convey to that, but we'll start with one. A challenge most manufacturers have is the fact that they have feedback from customers that they want to relay to their engineering teams to make better quality products in the future. The connected manufacturer allows for customers to submit information to the manufacturer that they then use from an engineering perspective to examine and evaluate issues that may be centric in their products, but then allows them to basically fix those types of issues and then do version control and introduce that then as a basically a better product in the future. Another area that you could consider from a connected manufacturer as well is the fact that manufacturers now need to also be able to take information internally in their teams and basically share that in order to be able to optimize really that manufacturing capability. And what we mean by that with the connected manufacturer is that all of these teams then are able to basically align that business process as part of their workflow digitally, not through paper, not through email, but through a system where they can manage, for example, cases, inform engineering teams of issues, identify as well demand that may be further up the supply chain, for example, as well. But all of these aspects really come into play for that connected manufacturer.